How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I'm actually short.
Are you tired right now?
A little.
Are you hungry?
No, not really.
Are you busy at the moment?
Yes, I'm a bit busy.
What's your email?
It's anna@gmail.com.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Which languages can you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have one.
What is your nationality?
I'm American.
Are you at home right now?
Yes, I am.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She works as a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend's name is Lisa.
Where does she live?
She lives near my house.
Do you go out with your friends?
Yes, we usually go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not daily, but quite often.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big?
Yes, it is.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help around the house.
Do your siblings study?
Yes, they go to school.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
When do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
When do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you shower at night?
Yes, before bed.
What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
Around 8 a.m.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
What do you do on Sundays?
I relax and visit family.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, usually on Saturdays.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel sick today?
No, I feel fine.
Do you visit the doctor?
Yes, when needed.
Do you take medicine?
Yes, when necessary.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, about 8 hours.
Do you live in a city or a village?
I live in a city.
Is your city big?
Yes, it's large.
What's your favorite place?
I like going to the park.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the bank?
Yes, to withdraw money.
How do you travel to work or school?
I go by bus.
Do you own a car?
No, I don't.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you take the train?
Not very often.
Is the bus fast?
No, it's slow.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bicycle?
No, I can't.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you cook?
Yeah, pretty well.
Can you sing?
No, not really.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I don't.
Do you enjoy school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like working?
Yes, I enjoy my job.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms does your home have?
It has 4 rooms.
Is your home big or small?
It's small.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch TV at home?
Yes, in the evenings.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I do.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, every day.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do.
Is it cold today?
Yes, very cold.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite season?
Winter is my favorite season.